Hey everybody, my name is Richie White and welcome back to Blonde's Richie Hair Show. And on today, we are going to be testing out some products that I really don't see on the internet as much. I don't know why, because they are some OGs, they are some old schools, they are some things that we all know. So let's get right into it. Okay. So today we'll be testing out some OG hair products. If you are black, you definitely know Lusters, the brand Lusters. You know the pink lotion for your hair. You know the S Curl line, been around forever. So today we are testing out not only some of their old products, but we are also testing out some of their new products. So I've used these products individually and got great results, but I never used them collectively as a brand. I don't know why, but let's get into what I'm going to use today for my wash and go. Luster's have this new line out called, Luster's has this new line out called the S Curl Free Flow. And this is the leave-in conditioner. Oh, this is the shampoo. And this is the leave-in conditioner. And from what I see, this line has been geared towards men, but I mean, it really doesn't matter. Gender does not matter in hair care, right? So I've tried it and I've had great results and I really like it. It's kind of on that middle tier price range. The shampoo and the conditioner are all about $8 a piece. And they're really, 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 really good. I really do like them. I would buy them again. But also things that I've been using since I've been like on my curly hair journey. And I think the first thing I used to really try to make my curls pop was the infamous or the famous Luster's hair curl activator, the no drip. Now, I really think this is what they used to use back in the day to juice up their Jheri curls. I'm not sure, but in my experience, this is a great curl activator, and as well, it's a great way to refreshen your hair day 2 or day 3. Just add some water, sprinkle some of this in it. It's pretty good. And then also we have the S Curl Wave Gel Activator. This is actually one of the first gels that I can ever remember purchasing for my hair. I don't know why I stopped buying it because I have let me show you my old bottle. I have an old bottle of it and it has pretty much nothing left in it. I bought this new bottle just for this video because other than that I would have used the rest of this and I will be using the rest of this. But yeah, it's a pretty good job and I like it. But we're going to see like how everything works together collectively. Like I said, I have not seen too many videos in regards to these products. I really don't see too many people using it. So I just want to see like what can we get from it? What will the results look like? What will my wash and go look like? Like I said, now the S Curl line is really being geared towards men and especially men with short haircuts to help them with their waves, because you know with waves on swim, you know, dudes like having waves in their head, you know. So I really want to see what this is going to look like in the form of someone who wants to have a wash and go hairstyle. So right now, what I have in my hair, I'm kind of like pre-pooing with like just a regular old deep conditioner. It's nothing special, and these are the results that we are getting from the deep conditioner, and it looks really good. So I know that a few hair YouTubers, you know, they get in the shower and they show you them showering the product and putting it in. I'm not going to do that. First of all, my bathroom is too small. Second of all, y'all don't want to see y'all don't want to see me with no clothes on. And third of all, I'm not trying to get electrocuted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a shower. I'm going to wash my hair with the charcoal mint shampoo. And once I do that, I will be right back. And we'll put the rest of the products in and just see, you know, where it goes from there. Be right back. Okay, you guys, I am back and I shampooed my hair with the Free Flow Charcoal Mint Shampoo. And I forgot to mention the ingredients or what it says on the bottle. And it says that it's sulfate free and fresh. It detoxifies, cleanse, moisturize. In the ingredients, the active ingredients they have in here is activated charcoal, castor oil, olive oil, no sulfates, no parabens, no phthalates. I hope I said that right. Philifates. Feels really good. My hair does not feel stripped. It feels moisturized. It smells great. It has a very strong minty smell. So it definitely is going to clear up any congestions you have in your chest. Okay. And my hair definitely feels clean. It feels clean. My scalp feels clean. So this is a really good shampoo. Would I buy this again? Yeah, I would buy this again. But as y'all know, I'm stuck on Dr. Bronner's Castile soap. But I would buy this again. I really do like this. So the next step that I'm going to take is I'm actually going to put the curl activating moisturizer into it. I usually do this right after I shampoo my hair when I do use this. And this is, it says on the bottle, it's anti-frizz formula, paraben free, and mineral oil free. So let's go ahead and put this in, and usually what I do is I just go to town with it. I really just put it in there. And then once it's in, I just go ahead and I smooth it through. I don't rake it through, I just go ahead and smooth it. So what I'm going to do next is add some water into my hair before I put in the styling products. Everybody knows this bottle. Everybody knows this bottle is legit, okay? This makes anybody feel uncomfortable. Alright, so my hair is nice and juicy now. So when I was reading the gel, it was saying to put the gel in and then put the moisturizer or the leave-in on after the gel. I've never tried that method before, and I want to. I want to see how it's going to turn out. So I'm always open to trying new things. So I want to see like how is it going to come out if I put on the gel and then put on a leave-in conditioner. So let's do that. So once again, I'm using the Curl Activating Gel from S-Curl. Love, smells good. I can't describe the smell, but it smells good. Oh, it's definitely not as thick. If you watched my last video, I did Wetline Gel. It's definitely not as thick as Wetline. Like, nowhere even close to it. So let's go ahead and apply. Wow, okay. Okay, so if you watched my last video with Wetline, these are not the results we were getting with Wetline. With Wetline, it was really clumped together. This is not clumped at all. Bottles, on the S-Curl bottles, it specifically states elongating formulas. If you're not into elongating your curls, this probably won't be for you. If you like to stretch your curls, this probably will be for you. So this is the leave-in conditioner, and it says for maximum moisture, daily use, easy comb, stretch, and define curls. It has coconut oil, olive oil, shea butter, no mineral oil, no parabens, no petroleum. This bottle is about $9. So let's go ahead and add this and put this over the gel, because we said we're trying something different today, right? It smells really good, and the texture, it's like a typical leave-in conditioner. It's not thick at all. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like now that I shook it out. And you're like, what is a shake out? Once again, I literally just bend over and I shake my head back and forth, left to right. And to me, it kind of shakes out the curls. It helps it with the definition. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to let my hair air dry, and I'll be back with the final results. And we're going to see what's up with the S-Curl line. Is that any good? We shall see. Okay, I am back, everybody. And these are the results. So I would say that my hair is probably about 80% dry, like 85% dry. And I didn't have time to completely dry because I have somewhere I need to go, but these are the results. Now, let's talk about what I think about it. I like the results. It's definitely voluminous, lots and lots of volume. The curls are very elongated, like it was barely no shrinkage. and they are not clumped. If you are looking for a product that's not going to give you clumpy, spirally, coily curls, then this is the product for you, because you're definitely not getting that. You're definitely getting curl definition for sure. You're for sure getting curl definition, but you're not getting that tight, tight curl definition. Now, to me, I always was the type of person, I liked my springy, coily curls. I realized they're kind of harder to obtain as my hair is getting longer, and it really depends on the product. I can sometimes still get them depending on what products I use, but I'm really starting to like the elongated curls too. I kind of feel like the springy curls are fun, and these kind of curls are just like, they're like sexy. Like, these are sexy curls, you know? You know? I like it when I use these products in conjunction. Again, absolutely. The thing that I have a problem with is that it kind of has like a synthetic-y feel to it. Yeah, it has like a synthetic-y feel to the hair. It doesn't feel bad, but it just feels a little strange. But other than that, I'm digging it. I'm digging it a lot. So if you have any questions about the products, if I didn't explain certain things, just leave them in a comment, like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And we will be back with more videos. Let me know anything that you want to test out. And I have some crazy things that I want to try out. Until next time, remember that you are loved, appreciated, and wanted here at this channel. And we love having you guys. Until next time, peace. Hey y'all, it's me, Richie. I am back with an update. This is the first. So I just went out with some friends, had a little sip. Okay. And I came back home because I had to stop and get something anyway. So anyway, I wanted to make this update on the Luster's products. Okay. So I'm really impressed. I actually do like this wash and go. The curl definition is there, you guys. The definition is there. Like, moisture is there. The elongation is there. Everything is there. Like I said, the only issue that I have with it is the fact that it's kind of synthetic-y feel. And I'm assuming that's because there's silicones in the products. So I probably like layering silicone on top of silicone on top of silicone, and it gives it that synthetic feel. So if you are somebody who are not into silicone, this probably will not be for you. Me, I'm neutral with silicone. It's okay if it's in the product, but if it's not in the product, perfect. But silicone being in the product is not going to steer me away from it. I'm just not there yet. But overall, I'm enjoying this. It has movement. It's not a strong hold. It's not a strong hold. This gel, it's nice, but it's not giving you a strong hold. It's a very much soft hold. Enjoy your Memorial Day weekend. Have fun, because that's what you're supposed to do.